Morning, guys. It was a cold night. I stayed mostly warm, and then towards towards 5 it got pretty cold, and I got up about 5, couldn't sleep, but and so like just a couple minutes ago the sun crested, and now you got this beautiful glow. So I think I'm gonna take a picture of that real quick and then head out. About 6:12 right now. Okay, check this out. I just have to look down at my feet. There's this ice. It's weird shapes. It's very, very light. Oop. Oh, man. Oop, crap. It's really cool. I've never seen it like that. Let's see if I can get a better view for you. Anyway, well, it is 8:51. I have made it to the lake in time, so hopefully they do show up. I even had time to use the bathroom, because apparently there's an actual bathroom here at the campsites and stuff, so pit toilets, but you know, hey, it works. So now I'm just gonna sit down and wait for the boat.
Here's Mom.
I'll take a picture. 1, 2, 3. I'll send that to Aunt Darlene.
Oh. Oh. It's landing on the hood of my car.